So today we're down Lorca. Now Lorca, I think a lot of people think about Lorca, oh, Lorca Castle. But there's a lot more to see in Lorca than just that castle. But I will have a video on Lorca Castle. And this fountain here always amazes me. I think one of the main problems I always had with Lorca was parking. But I found a parking place just down the road there. I think the top price is $155. Anyway, we're going to have a look around, look at some of the sites that you probably don't see. So this is Lorca Ball Ring. You got statue of the Matador here. Now this ball ring's not open to the public just at the moment, but I'm hoping by the end of 24 this place will be open to the public, because what they're doing, they're restoring it, and I think you can look through the old gate here, because it might give you some idea what it looks like. So you can see there. This is, we can get better. Yeah. So at the moment it's shut, but I did hear it's going to open up later this year. So I've just come into a little plaza. You've got a kids area down there, fenced in as well. Nice little park. There's a fountain here. Now a lot of these fountains seem to be on a timer, so I expect later on that will come to life. But you see a lot of bars. Now today's Saturday, so it's going to be a bit more life. You find in the week it's very quiet, and there's no fish in the water. Anyway, you see this building in front of us, this sort of mauve building. This is what we're going to have a look at. It's a museum. Now I've been told it's free. There's a couple of statues here. I don't know what this one's about. So we're going to move on down this way. Hey, you remember I said that this building, I'm on the other end of that building now, and I said it's the museum. Well, it's not. Looking at it, it's the old theatre. And the only reason I say that, I'm sure I'm sure this guy here, or maybe not. I was about to say William Shakespeare, but he's not. He's got names up. Obviously, a famous actor, no doubt. Anyway, it's all locked up. So, anyway, nice bit. Another big plaza. But I'm going this way. That's where I'm going. Oh, saying all that, there's a town map. I did notice dotted around the place they got some like tourist information boards or information boards. So we'll just have a quick look, because we're sort of right in the heart of the, I don't know if you call it a city or a town. Looks like we're here. There's my hand. There's me. I can't even see my hand in this. It's so bright today. Temperatures today, we're in February now. I think it's 24 today. And you can see just up the top here is the castle. But we're not going there. We're down here. That's where we're going to. And I also believe there's a museum. Anyway, we're going to be around this area, so we're quite central. Okay, so this is the building I'm after, I think, because I think where those two ladies are now. I come down there on a Sunday and the doors are open. Right, if I just take you back up here, right up the top there, that's the castle. But like I said, we're not going there. I just noticed another, it's the casino, but it's shut. But I can see already, obviously they're doing it up. That's what I've noticed the past couple of years. Spain has been starting to, I think they suddenly realise tourism is what they're bringing the money. And you know, I was on about these information things. You find these dotted around, telling you, and they've got English there, French. But anyway, we're going this way. Yeah, we're definitely going this way. Well, apparently I was going total the wrong way. I was going further away from it. So thanks to good old Google sat nav, it's put me on the right path. Right, so I'm going to go down. We've got a music man here. And we're going to go down this way because I think I can see the building now. But I might be completely wrong. But it did say 2-minute walk down here. Just found another little plaza. All still looking for somewhere to have something to eat, but I just thought I'd show you these amazing, like, bluebell, but obviously yellow bell. They're massive. So you got a lady there, but I mean the backdrop to that, you got some I know what they are, pansies, but you got some more there. Just coming out of the museum there's another little bit of obviously work that they found. It's just amazing what you can find when you're just walking about aimlessly. It's just showing you some of the work that they've done there. You've got some this is all in English. There it is, the recovery after the 2011 earthquake. Obviously a lot of the old buildings were really damaged. This is another place that I always come across and always find it by accident, and this is sort of going up towards the castle, but it's like a big plaza. Amazing buildings. A few people out here, not many people. I mean, it's 2 o'clock now. So I hope you enjoyed that. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to end the video soon because I've just noticed my camera is on the red. So I'm going to finish it here. Guys, you've got to come down Lorca. Just have a explore around yourself. You find these amazing little places. And, you know, I was looking for a drink. I'm just going to put it around now. No, I'm not drinking out of that. But plenty of water about. I mean, I wonder if the water thing is working. Let's have a look. Yeah. Oh, that was handy. Because I was dying for a first. There's loads of bars, but they seem ever so busy. So anyway, I'm going to head back towards the car now. Guys, I'll be doing a Camper Explorers trip in, I think, December. And we're going to have a walk around Lorca and seeing some of the places that you've seen today in this video. So anyway, adios.